Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you the most exciting car reviews. Today we're diving deep into a true legend reborn, the 2025 Plymouth Sick Fish Cuda. This modernized muscle car pays tribute to the classic Barracuda while bringing cutting-edge technology, insane performance and aggressive styling to the table. Whether you're a Mopar fan or just love powerful machines, this one is going to blow you away. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Plymouth Sick Fish Cuda takes inspiration from the original design but gives it a modernized, aggressive twist. The front end features a bold, wide stance with a redesigned grille that blends retro cues with futuristic styling. LED headlights with sequential turn signals add a high-tech touch, while the sculpted hood includes functional air vents to improve aerodynamics and engine cooling. The side profile retains the iconic fastback shape, but with sharper lines and carbon fiber accents that enhance both aesthetics and weight reduction. Massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires ensure that this beast grips the road with confidence. At the rear, a redesigned spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and sleek LED taillights complete the aggressive muscle car look. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech yet driver-featured interior. The cabin is a fusion of retro design and modern luxury, with high-quality leather and Alcantara covering the seats, dash, and steering wheel. The bolstered bucket seats provide maximum support during high-speed maneuvers, while customizable ambient lighting sets the mood. A massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, featuring the latest Uconnect system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation suite. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, allowing you to monitor everything from performance stats to G-forces. A premium Harman Kardon sound system ensures that you enjoy your favorite tunes with crystal-clear audio, but let's be real, most of the time you'll want to listen to the roar of the engine instead. Now, let's talk about performance, because that's where the Sick Fish Cuda truly shines. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, pushing out a mind-blowing 850 horsepower and 770 lb-ft of torque. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars on the market. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, but for true enthusiasts, a 6-speed manual option is also available. The adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride on the highway while tightening up for aggressive cornering when you push it to the limit. Brembo high-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, making sure you stay in control no matter how hard you push this machine. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Sick Fish Cuda is designed for both straight-liner speed and dynamic cornering. The rear-wheel drive setup delivers a classic muscle car experience, but an optional all-wheel drive system is available for those who want maximum grip and stability. Multiple driving modes, including Track, Sport, and Eco, allow you to fine-tune the performance to match your driving style. With a top speed of over 200 km/h, this isn't just a showpiece, it's a serious performance machine built to dominate the road and the track. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Plymouth Sick Fish Cuda starts at around $85,000, offering a powerful and well-packed package. If you want to step up to the high-performance Sick Fish Edition with all the premium features, advanced aerodynamics, and enhanced power output, you're looking at a price tag of $110,000, or more depending on the customization options. Given its limited production run, this car is expected to be a collector's item, making it a worthwhile investment for muscle car enthusiasts. So, what do you think of the 2025 Plymouth Sick Fish Cuda? Is this the ultimate modern muscle car, or would you go for something else? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting car review. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.